experienced with. It's not something I have learned about, but thanks to vibe coding and AI, that now I can help my company make their own website better and more professional. So in Lovable, I'm making a website for mock website for Kingsman Auto because they already have their own website. Yep, there you go. So this is the current website, the active website. So if you search kingsmanauto.ca, this is going to be the website that shows up. So look how messy it is. Like in here, there's random designs, and look, the cars are not well sorted out and everything. So most of these cars are not supposed to be on top. So we have these are new. This is already sold. This is not the best of the cars, and it has all the generic information. If I press Carfax, nothing shows up. If I press book now, it doesn't go straight to this vehicle book now page. It goes to a random appointment, vehicle select, and I don't know. It's just so looks so backdated for me that then there is this car and the same car. I think so. Yeah, repeats again, right? So sold fleet. Okay, our team services. This is all like very generic and very backdated kind of website, so I don't really like this. So I tried making a mock website for this company to have an improved SEO and the design itself, so it looks modern and more sophisticated. Yet also like it pushes the vibe of this company being a luxurious company, or like at least like a professional company, professional dealership. Sorry, professional dealership that has everything sorted out and it's like a proper business, not like something like I can go there just because I can, I don't know, maybe bargain the price or something because they don't know what they're doing by themselves, right? They're still struggling. I can probably lowball with them. That's what people think. And if I was a client, I would think the same. So this is the codes and everything. And I didn't do much about this, just a minor fixing in the codes. That's like pretty basic. But most of the works I did with prompt engineering on ChatGPT and let me show you. There's the mock website. So yeah, so here it took me quite a while. Like it took me a couple of months because I had to learn from scratch how to do all this, and I'll show you the result in a bit. Just be patient. So you know whatever I'm showing you, it's kind of for this. So it started from here. I did an analysis of this current ones and took all the information, scrapped the website, did all that. Yeah, all that SQL and stuff. I don't know. Like I had to learn all that, but I'm not a computer science student, so my understanding would not be at the same level as a software developer or somebody else who knows who's more literate about the coding and the technical stuff. But I'm more on the customer end. I work straight on the front desk. I work straight as a communication-based marketer, as a communication-based salesman, and mainly I'm the operations assistant at the moment for the company, and I'm handling the operations. So the internal matter that, and as a small business, I have to face the customer as well. So for me, it doesn't matter if it's right from a code perspective, from a coding perspective, or not, or like some other theory perspective. But if it's working, it's working. That's my own thing, right? So if it's working, it's if the client is saying whatever I'm saying and I'm liking it and the client's liking it, that's it. I don't care how it's worked, how it's done, or what needs to be better, what needs to be well. I just focus on the, how do you say, the front end. Yeah, that's what matters to me. So you see here I have attached Lovable. From the connectors I have attached Lovable, and in the Lovable it's my account is connected. So let's go to comment. I use comment for all this stuff for, I don't know, this looks fancy. Anyway, read on the, okay, files. Well, these are the things, this is the back end, but now we will check our front end. So this is the website. Look, kingsmanauto.lovable.app, that's the free domain they give, right? So we already have a domain, we just have to connect it, but this is right now in the mock state. So look, this is a website. Okay. Let's do side by side. Current website, mock website that I made in 2 months without any coding language. Without any coding, without any coding knowledge, and I have no background in computer science, nothing to do with software development, and this is the mock website I could develop. Not even in 2 months, because in 2 months I did a lot of stuff, and some of them I already uploaded. I worked with Google Sheets, I worked with HR, this kind of things, right? A lot of Google Sheets, these inventory details. So inventory details, right? All this sold vehicles, so all these automations and everything. So that's like an internal business automation. That's operations. That's my actual job. I do operations, right? So these are the operations. That's the HR, inventory is the operations as well. So I did all this. I set up a whole assistant for myself. I have a whole assistant for myself. helping me with all the sectors of the job that I'm covering. Uh, yeah, all this as well. This, and then again, I need to do all the inbox checking and stuff like that. So yeah, that's my personal inbox, of course. Oops. Anyway, yeah, all this, and then the Facebook ad posting, Facebook marketing, and everything, meta marketing, whatever you call it. That's just sports. Ad centers, great ads. Like I do all that, like boost Instagrams, post here. So after all this, let's come to the main topic. After all this, let me refresh this. So this is the current website, the active website you'll find on Google. This is what I made. Look at the difference. Look at the contrast. Look how premium it looks. Look at this and look at this. What is the logo and what is this logo? Just clear differences, right? And look, I didn't add any vehicle yet, and I'm going to be doing it in this video, but everything is interactive in here. Look, see, I can go back. Look how fast this is. This is like SEO friendly. And one more thing, if I can show you. Okay. Let me check something. Yeah, you see already 12 visitors. I haven't even, like, it's published, of course, in Lovable domain, subdomain, but under Lovable app. So already 12 visitors. That's how SEO friendly this website is. Like, it's not even published, it's not advertised, it's nowhere in our business pages or anywhere exposed, but still it's having 12 visitors, right? So that does say something. Look at this, all these details, all the inspections we do, and all the details, financing options, extended warranty protection, what our customers say. Mm, See how well organized it looks, and it's not just a regular mock website. Just yeah, this one. Sorry, no, same thing, but yeah, this is the website you're gonna be seeing if this gets launched to our main domain, like kingsmanauto.ca. This is how it will be looking instead of this. Like, come on, 2 months, no experience at all. And this is just as an operation manager, this is what I'm gonna tell you. This is my advice to all the operations manager out there, no matter what industry you're working in. Always focus on the outcome. Always focus on the client-facing front end tasks more than prioritizing the internal matter and perfecting something from inside, right? If something goes wrong, you can fix it immediately. AI is there to help on that purposes. AI is not there to replace our job. They're here to help us. Well, I'm talking as if they're also human or alien, but that's the truth. Like, AI is not going to be taking our job, but if you're too reluctant, too backdated, look, if you are still making websites like this as your main business head, you're going to be failing. Your business is going to be failing. Look at this. This website gets eaten by this website any time of the day. This website loses to this website any time of the day. I would buy a car from this, whatever company this is, even if it's a scam company, then choosing this if both of them are competitors. So which one are you going to be choosing, right? So let me see. Let me actually show you, not see. Let me show you something. Okay, everything works. Everything works. There's this nice little contact us page instead of just bold white you. Anyway, visit us today. I'll fix all that. I'll fix most of it. Yeah, there are more things need to be fixed, but I'm out of credit at the moment, so I cannot do it. And I did it for free. I didn't pay a single dollar yet. It's all free for now, till now. You see, even if you want to trade in, you can put on your vehicle details and submit trading requests online. Financing, you can get pre-approval. I will, of course, make a better form that actually works. But look at this form. Look at this. Like how clean is this? Look, there's details, frequently asked questions, like everything you need to make sure you are converting the clients, not just losing on them, right? Okay, I'll fix that as well. Sorry for my name. I'll fix that as well. That should go with the trim, and it didn't put any trim. I'll show you how to upload car photos and everything. No, Carfax I haven't added. Look, let's see what Carfax I have. BMW, look, I'll upload the BMW now. So book a test drive, go straight to contact. See, simple. Call this number. Well, you can call this number. You can from the phone. You can apply for financing. Go to financing. Like easy, easy. Inspected payment estimate. Down payment out to $2,000. I'll get 48 months. That's based on this, like live calculations, like features. That's the SEO part, by the way. That's the SEO part. That's how I like it. Looks kind of like features and equipment, but that's for the SEO. That's what people keep searching. So you research the SEO, you put it there. Vehicle specifications. Safety inspected. So this is okay. Back to inventory. I have another car listed as well. Same thing. Just you're losing to this every time. Normal. You're losing to this website. Trust me. This is something I haven't even imagined that I'll be doing. Anyway, now let's show you something really cool. Okay, how do I do the backends? So we're going admin dashboard. I will add a card and show you how easy I made to just add the cards. There you go. That's the inventory management. You can add full form, make everything manual, but look at this. This is the crazy part. This is the quick add. Okay. All I have to do, the pictures I took, let's say BMW, right? All the pictures there. It's uploading. Give me a second. Should be uploaded right now. That is it. You're losing to this website, whether you believe it or not. Whether you're in the business for 30 years, somebody comes up with this website on Google, sales will be boosted. So stop nagging about AI taking your job and stuff. Like you can use AI for anything. I'm using it for operations. I'm using it for HR. I'm using it for sales. I'm using it for customer service. I'm using it for website. I mean, I'm already better than like 30 other candidates of my age who are not doing it and complaining about AI taking their job. I'm utilizing AI. Look at this. This whole thing is run by Perplexity. Look, this is a Perplexity, right? Anti-gravity, Claude, Gemini, Pomely, Stitch. Stitch is really good. You can just prompt anything and it will make your website, right? So this is really cool. So I did some stuff in here, but eventually I didn't need to. These are the crazy. Like this is just the front end. You can make a design and then give it to some AI to do all the functionalities. Like you can give to Cloud Code to give to put some the backends in this. But this is good for the front end. Like you can just design anything based on any website. You can just take a screenshot or just write whatever you want and it will get it done. So GitHub, lovable projects you see. And are we done here? Yeah. Oh, so look how easy it is. It used to be a pain in the ass before to just upload pictures and run a website that took like I don't know a full-time worker to be doing it. Just give me a second, I'm getting distracted with my own words. um, okay, I'll do. Next, 2016, I have the here. No. Anyway, 2016 available BMW X1 Dream. X1 Dream, let's see the trim. X1 X Drive 28i. X Drive 28i mileage. Give me a second. Okay, actually, I have it here. What's the mileage? 167,000. 167 option. I'm better than that with typing. Just I don't know peer pressure. Manage 55. Phone number. Mm, 209. It's all-wheel drive, gasoline, gray, interior. Let's see, interior shooting. It's leather for sure. It's gray. Engine. Engine. Okay, I think I have this connection. So I always do all the research for a car just to post it and everything on here. Like, so it's all done. Yeah, that's all the researches I do. So I get all the SEO friendly descriptions for the car, retail based. So I have made a at post template that it remembers in its memory, so it helps. It took me a while to make it. Took me a while means a while, really while. Yep, took me a while. what is that? Carfax report, there you go. Left the Carfax report here. Auditor of the CV. All-wheel drive, heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth, CarPlay, Android Auto. Does it have that? Sunroof, leather seats, navigation, winter tire, alloy wheel warranty, Carfax, safety inspector. Now, all I do is generate description. Look at this. There you go. See? Just look at this. I'm going to be replacing that. Look, that's the research summary, all the, and then it just kind of the final add post, add captions, sorry. So I'll change them to this one. And they always provide this link. They try to make it feature like directly accessible, but turns out it just goes like double. So some minor changes, that's okay. Right, and I'm gonna be just keep it as it is. Okay, that's the SEO description, you see. That's how I'm bringing all the club visitors so far. Is it private name? Private. Fuel efficient private engine. Yeah. No, I just publish it and look at this live now. How cool is that, and how simple is that? How cool is that? All the details, everything. Down payment, I don't need to get down payment, let's say, 16, 439 per month. This just took me 5 minutes. Oh, you can call. Yeah, definitely. Okay, actually, let's do this. Not from here, it is. I think you already applied for that. Apply for financing. No, look, Carfax. Just okay. Carfax. Just in 1 week. We go back. Look how fast and swift it is this website, right? It's already running. Like you see. In the new tab. Not in the new tab. Let's go. Let's do it. Kingsmen, okay, dot, yeah. If I go there, ah, shit. Okay, I'll fix that, but oh yeah, of course. That makes sense. Let's change to it. Yep. There you go, fixed it. So as you can see, it's already listed. And this is like the feature. We go a few details. Going there, come back. The website is fully functioning. 3 of the vehicles are uploaded, and again, just for transparency, this is not the best of the website, but we're comparing to this one, where Carfax doesn't work. Book now changes the whole 5 here. You see, book a test drive doesn't change the 5, right? And no relation with one text to another. Nothing. I don't want to watch. I cannot be in this website for more than 5 minutes. I can be in this website for all day browsing my next vehicle to purchase. So